back to my channel. So Diwali is about to come and here I am with Diwali decoration video. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys few interesting Diwali decoration that you can recreate on this Diwali. So if you decide to recreate any one of these, do DM me or send it to me on Instagram. I will love to see them, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for the first DIY, you will need any glass container or jar. Now fill it with water and pour oil on the top. Make sure to add enough oil until it forms a thick layer. I felt like making two such water candles, so I have taken another glass. Take any plastic sheet and cut a circle that has a smaller circumference than the glass jar. It's okay if you do not get a proper circle. Now make a small hole to the center of the circle. I hope it's visible to you guys. And insert a cotton wick through the hole. Now I added glitter to make it look more beautiful and attractive. This is totally optional, but you can even add beads if you want to. Now place the cotton wick which we made and you are done. A very simple and beautiful water candle is ready. For the next DIY, you will need ice cream sticks, lace and latkans, which are easily available in any lace shop. You can even use tassels if you want to. Now I took some ice cream sticks and basically made a square frame out of it and sticked it using hot glue. Now you can use any strong glue that you have. Stick all the four sides of the frame properly. Now let it dry for few minutes. Now take a lace and by measuring the side of the frame, cut it out and stick it on all the four sides of the frame. All you have to do now is add more details to make it look more attractive and give it a Diwali look. Then you will need any latkans. You can find them in any lace shop. Few beads and thread to make the hangings. Just follow these few steps. Tie the thread to the latkan and add beads to it. have made such 3 hangings with the latkans and then stick them to 3 ends of the frame with any glue you have. Now I am sticking golden lace diagonally to the frame. Now I will stick this handwritten Shubh Labh paper on the frame with the help of 2A tape. And lastly, I will stick this yarn on top of the frame so that I can hang it easily to the wall. This beautiful Shubh Labh wall decor is ready and it's perfect for Diwali. For the last DIY, you will need tin containers. You can even use tin cans like this. You just have to cut it into half, printed papers and wooden stick. Take a printed paper sheet and mark the size of the container.
Jack it up.
And then cut it out so that you will get a thin sheet of paper like this. To stick the paper to the container, use 2A tape. Here I am using double-sided tissue tape. Just follow the steps. I have made 4 such containers. You can make as many as you want. Now to hang the container, I am using black yarn and tying it to the center of the container. Make sure to tie a tight knot so that it doesn't fall. Arrange these containers as you want and then tie them to the wooden stick.
Jack it up.
Now to hang it to the wall, I am taking a piece of yarn and tying it to both the ends of the stick. And your beautiful candle or diya holder is ready. So yeah, that was it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked any one of this DIY, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It will keep me motivated, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.